Traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Tuesday, the 10th of the 10th of October. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's start with yesterday, guys, and let's start with the trade that I took. And it was the NASDAQ. Yeah, we were buying the NASDAQ. Why were we buying the NASDAQ? Well, let's take a quick look at the weekly chart. So this was a key support level for the NASDAQ, okay? And, you know, we are starting to see lower highs, but we had such a nice bullish reaction at this area of support, and we had a bit of room to move into on the weekly chart. So that's what we're seeing there, really nice reaction at a support level. And then if we drop down to the day chart, we saw a daily structure break. Yeah, so if I get a weekly support and resistance level plus a daily structure break, you know, this is a good setup for us. And as you can see, guys, yeah, this daily didn't make lower lows, which is always a red flag that structure could be changing, and then sure enough it did. Yeah, we got this nice big bullish green candle that broke these last highs, therefore we had higher highs. And all we're trying to do, guys, is, you know, once price comes back down to what was once resistance becomes support, how many times do we see this? Yeah, we were just looking to buy the NASDAQ. So it's exactly what happened, guys. If we drop down to the H4, because it was a bit of a H4 play for me, and I was quite aggressive with this trade. I just really like this, you know, look how many times price has reacted at this level. So I just really liked this level. Okay. And then all I did, guys, is once I saw this first bullish green candle was enter the market. Yeah, H4 bullish candle. I entered the market. I put my stop below the moving average 20 down here. And that was it, guys. Took this trade, took profit up here. Probably took profit a little bit early, to be honest, but took profit up here. And then I'm still in this trade for 20%. So we're just going to let this run, guys. All right. So, yeah, nice trade, nice level. Bullish reaction, get into the trade. And even if you did miss this candle, which was a little bit aggressive, look at this candle. Yeah, lovely, bullish H4 candle. Yeah, nice room to move into. Yeah, you could have quite easily got in on this one as well. And you've got to bear in mind, guys, price wants to fill this gap. Yeah, so that also played into my mind when, you know, taking this NASDAQ trade. So it got filled, as you can see, guys. All right, so NASDAQ, yeah, nice trade. I hope some of you took it, guys. And as always, I put this trade in the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, I give you all my trades that I take in there, and this was one of them, guys. All right, so yeah, good trade. The next one from yesterday was this. It was New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. And if we go to the day chart, why were we looking to buy this? Well, we are clearly in a, let me draw that again. I haven't had my morning vodka. Let me apologize for that line. But we are clearly in an uptrend. All right. You do not need to be Warren Buffett to see that. Higher lows, higher highs. All right. So we're in an uptrend. And we broke this really important level of resistance here. Okay, so ever since we've seen this candle, we like this trade. Yeah, it's broken. It's in an uptrend. It's bullish candle. We broke a level of important resistance, you know, and we're seeing just bullish candles. This wick here, yeah, is just a buying candle. This is a buying candle. So this will still probably be a trade idea for today, guys. And the idea was to take it, you know, potentially up to this level here. But I didn't get in on this one, guys. If we look at the H4, there was this level in here. This level I put in during the day, guys. I did in my morning analysis vid, I didn't put it in, but it become an important level during the day because of this gap down and these wicks. And then every H4 candle just had these wicks on it, yeah, which just makes it difficult to buy these candles. Yeah, if I see top wicks, I'm reluctant to buy. Okay, you can see we start getting top wicks here. Yeah, and then look what happens. We get a move down. Top wicks here, price moves down. So for that reason, it was difficult to trade, guys. If we go to the H1 as well, you can see why this was a grey zone, because price, just kept reacting at this level. And then what was once resistance, when it come back down, becomes support. So we potentially had entries, but it was just those H4 candles that made me reluctant to buy it. All right, so New Zealand Canadian dollar, we didn't have a trade for those reasons, but NASDAQ was a beauty. And guys, yeah, so those are my trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, yesterday's trade ideas, and you would like to receive my trade ideas every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. If you haven't already, smash the notification button, guys. And also, if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 10th of the 10th. Before I do, guys, let me just mention a few things. Keep the crazy editor happy. So, first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It is free, so come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge and ideas. We got books, useful links, psychology, many cool things, guys. So come check it out. It's free. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel, okay? This is where I put all of my trades as and when they happen, okay? You have access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about whatever you like, trading, that is. We also give you exclusive content in the VIP Discord every single week. And you get access to a performance coach should you need it, guys. All right. So lots of value in the VIP Discord. If you're interested in that, the link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade and read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch the vids every day, the analysis vid, the live streams, then you can come and show your support, guys. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got different tiers. We've got supporter, we've got gold, and we've got legend. All right. So there's perks to each of those levels, guys. So check them out. Finally, don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Be there or be square. Haven't said that since school. Right, guys. Yeah, let's have a look at the trades today. So I am going to openly admit right now that these trades, there's some contradiction here. And I'm going to, show you what I mean and show you the trades. So the first trade I'm looking at is US dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay. This is the first US dollar pair to break day structure. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is the daily structure. We didn't make higher highs. Always a red flag. Yeah, always. If you start getting bearish reaction at the last high and it's just bearish, chances are we're going to get a break of this low. And yesterday's candle did exactly that. That was the confirmation of a break of this low. So we've had a structure break on US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, if I zoom out, you can see we don't have much room to move into until my next piece of support. Okay, so that's why this blue line here is my target. Okay, but this is what we're looking to do, guys. Just take price back down to here because we're now in a downtrend and we've broke these lows here with this candle. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, the level I'm looking at, guys, is this gray zone here. So you can see where price has reacted in this gray zone before. Yeah, so we're just looking for price to retrace into this gray zone. Perhaps the moving average 20 catches up as well. This would be a nice combination. we get a bearish reaction. And when I say bearish reaction, it really doesn't matter the name of the candle. Yeah, I think people have pulled me up before saying that, oh, that's an engulfing candlestick pattern. I really don't care. All I care about is who is in control. And I want to see a candle that tells me sellers are in control. And it can be a H1 and or a H4 candle. Yeah, once I get a candle that tells me sellers are in control, I can then enter and look to take price back down to here. All right, so that's US dollar Swiss franc sell. Now, this is what I'm looking at. So I'm now looking at a New Zealand dollar Swiss franc buy. So the first trade was Swiss franc strength against the dollar. And now this is Swiss franc weakness against the Kiwi, against the New Zealand dollar. All right, so that's what I mean by there's a bit of contradiction in my trade ideas. But let's just take a quick look at that. So if I'm saying US dollar Swiss franc, bear with me, I may not spell it all out next time. If US dollar Swiss franc is a selling opportunity, that is Swiss franc strength. If New Zealand dollar Swiss franc is a buying opportunity, that's Swiss franc weakness. Okay, but what I'm really saying here is New Zealand is the strongest, Swiss franc is the next strongest, and US dollar is the weakest. That's really what we're saying here. However, I do like my trades to go harmoniously together. All right, so what I will do is keep an eye on price action during the day and trade the one that gives me the best setup. And that might mean Swiss franc strength, or it might mean New Zealand dollar strength. Yeah, so I will see how this what's the right word? This reaction between the different pairs and which one gives me the best setup. All right. So I'm fully aware of it before anyone points it out, but I'm going to see how the day unfolds and which one gives me, the best setup. For example, if I just see on New Zealand Swiss franc nothing but bearish big H4 candles, then we know this isn't the trade for today. It isn't setting up. All right. But New Zealand Swiss franc buy is the idea. So why are we looking to buy it? If I zoom out a little bit here, guys, you can also see, this was an important weekly level through here. And the weekly candle broke it. If we go to the weekly candle, it's broken through this level. It's broken through the moving average 20, and even, last week's candle. Look at that wick on that candle. It tells us, we can still keep buying this. So we go back to the day chart, we're getting bullish candles. Okay, we're getting nothing but bullish candles. So the idea is to potentially take it just back to these daily highs. What else I like about this is on the H4, guys. If we go down to the H4, we finally broke. There was like a level through here. Let me put that level in so you can see it. Okay, so there was like a level. You can't move for grey zones. Yeah, there is a bit of overlap here, but H4 structure changed. Yeah, so we come down to here. We're thinking, okay, what are we doing? And then bang, yeah, it's broken these highs and this level of support. I'm going to remove this now. We've just got too many grey zones going on. So what do I want to see, guys? I want to see price retrace anywhere into this grey zone. It could be this grey zone down the bottom here because of this price reaction, or moving average 20 here, but somewhere in here we get a bullish reaction and then we can start buying New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Okay, and again, guys, this combination between US dollar Swiss franc and New Zealand Swiss franc is a bit contradictory, but I'm going to keep an eye on price action and trade the one that reveals itself during the day that it makes sense. Yeah, and I'll put this in the VIP Discord as always if I have a setup. And this theme carries on, guys, because my next trade idea is New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so let's start with the day chart. And again, I still like this. If we go to the weekly chart now, yeah, imagine you're a weekly seller. Yeah, you want price to make it up to here. This is a beautiful level for selling. Not only have we got this downward channel, yeah, we've also got this key horizontal resistance level as well. So this is a beautiful target for perhaps the big boys to get price to and then bring it back down. Okay, so with that in mind, guys, we really like, buys up to this level. But once it gets to this level, exit the building immediately. So if we go to the day chart now, bearing that in mind, we're still clearly in a upward day trend. And we're getting nothing but bullish candles. Even yesterday, I know lots of people will be like, oh, oil's strong, the problem in Israel, I get it, but trade the chart. Okay, and this is telling us still to buy this. Okay, just bullish candles, bullish in an uptrend. There's a level I really want to buy this from. So if we go down to the H4 now, I'm going to remove this grey zone. Yeah, because I'm not interested in buying at that grey zone. I'm interested, if you can see this channel now as well. Yeah, I'm interested in buying at this level. Yeah, once price comes down to this grey zone, which was once resistance, is now support, and we got this channel. If price comes down into here somewhere, this is where I'm interested. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction. I'm going to start buying this New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so that's New Zealand CAD. We're looking to buy that. And then finally, guys, again, a bit more contradiction. Pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, we're potentially looking to sell this. So New Zealand CAD, yeah, I said let's buy it, which means CAD weakness. And now I'm telling you pound Canadian dollar is a sell trade, which means Canadian dollar strength. But again, basically what I'm saying, guys, is New Zealand is strong. Yeah, because New Zealand was the stronger one out of US dollar and Swiss franc. I'm just showing you this correlation between all the pairs. So New Zealand's strong because of it was stronger than US dollar and Swiss franc, according to my according to my analysis. But now New Zealand dollar is strong again. It's stronger than the pound. Sorry, it's stronger than the Swiss franc, and the Swiss franc is stronger than the pound. Okay, so again, New Zealand dollar is strongest. I hope that makes sense, guys. It's important that you understand this correlation between pairs and how they react with each other. So, yeah, pound Canadian dollar, I'm interested, guys, because we're clearly in a downtrend. Yeah, you do not need to be Warren Buffett to see that. It's retraced to a very nice level of support. Well, what was once support is now resistance. Yeah. If I zoom in, we've also got, this combination of a doji followed by a bearish candle. All right. So potentially, we could take price all the way back down to here. In fact, let me put that target in. I'll go for the first psychological. I'll go for 6,400, first psychological level before these lows here. Okay, so yeah, we're looking to short this. We drop down to the H4. It's a case of a break of this level. Yeah, if we get a break of this level, guys, yeah, then I'm interested. Break of this level, perhaps a retest, and then we can start selling this pair. This would be the more conservative trade. If you wanted to be more aggressive, perhaps, we could start looking for price. If it comes back up to the moving average 20, we could start selling it from here, or even back up to these last highs. We could start selling it from one of these levels as well. But again, we're still looking for, a bearish reaction. And those are all the trade ideas for today, guys. And yeah, and if you enjoy my analysis every morning and would like to keep receiving it every morning, then come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel Dankeschön, shukran, thank you. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 10th of October. So, yeah, not much today, guys, in the way of news. Yeah, literally no big news. I'm just taking a quick look, guys. Sometimes they put a 2-star rating when it's really a 3-star rating. But really, guys, no big news today. So you're pretty free to trade, all right? So, yeah, have a great trading day, guys. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later today. Also, don't forget to, like the vid, share the vid, subscribe to the vid, do other things with the vid. All right, guys. So, yeah, I'll see you later for the live stream. Have a great trading day.